Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the horrible ransomware called King. It is called King because it actually encrypts files and appends this King, K-I-N-G extension to the file names. As a consequence, it is impossible to use the files anymore. The ransomware encrypts files and appends this King extension. If you remove the extension manually, still the files cannot be restored easily. The ransomware also changes the desktop background, which also contains the ransom note. Finally, there is another ransom note, which is basically the same. The ransomware basically tells the victims that they ought to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner, which you may obtain on the website combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and then once it is successfully installed, start carefully researching the computer in order to effectively detect and then eliminate all other threats, including this ransomware, from your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues, and definitely what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.